Hey, what's up everyone? Big news for PSP fans, and ARK 4 just dropped a new version of R163, an out of nowhere update, and the coolest part is that there's a new plugin that has been incorporated into this custom firmware as an official setting, and that is the WPA2 PSP plugin. Yes, you can finally connect to WPA2 networks and no more messing with 2.4 GHz hotspots or router settings. A total lifesaver here in 2025. Plus, they've tweaked some settings to make things smoother and simpler. Let's get into it. First things first, check that you're on the latest ARK 4. Hit the select button on your console for the VSH menu and it'll show you your version on the top there. If you haven't been updated yet on the ARK 4 latest release, watch my video linked down below to get on ARK 4. For the R163, grab the ark4.zip from the GitHub link in the description, also in the pinned comment. Unzip it and copy the update folder. Plug your PSP into your PC. And paste the update folder under the PSP game folder. Disconnect and go back to your PSP's game section. Run the update. And boom, re-updated to the new version. Hit select to double check, and you should now see ARK 4 with version R163. Now in your custom firmware settings, find the new WPA2 option, turn it on, and jump to the network settings and pick infrastructure mode. Scan for your network and connect. It worked perfect for me. I didn't have to really mess around with my router settings or configure something with to 2.4 to 5 or whatever. I just connected and I was good to go. Now, if you come across any issues, please comment down below and I'll keep you posted on some fixes or changes here on the channel if there's any new updates for this ARK 4 update. Thanks for watching and smash that subscribe if you're new, and happy gaming.